Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm bringing you along to show you how I make a chocolate chip cake. I was asked by a friend of mine to make a specialty cake for a friend of hers, and the cake is going to be shaped like a canning jar, and then we're going to do sunflower cupcakes all around it, but I'll show you that when I get done. But I thought I would bring you along to show you how we doctor up some cake mixes. And there's no shame in using cake mixes, and you can just doctor them up. So I'm having to make a double batch, but I'll give you the ingredients for a single batch. So what we're going to need is a cake mix of your favorite white cake mix. You can use the yellow, it doesn't matter. We're going to need 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and 1 1/4 cup of milk. So let me get everything added to the bowl and I'll bring you back. Okay, again, I'm not following the package directions, and I'll have the ingredients listed below. So now I'm going to blend it up for a couple of minutes, scraping the bowl occasionally. Then we'll add our chocolate chips. Alright, now you can add, what I'm going to add is shaved chocolate. Cake mixes, box cake mixes, the batter's kind of thin anyway. So if I put chocolate chips in here, even if I coated them with flour, most of them's just going to sink to the bottom because they're heavy. So I just bought a big old giant chocolate bar. You can use semi-sweet, milk chocolate, any kind that you like. I put it in the refrigerator. First I put it in the freezer, but grating it just kind of turned to dust. So as it thawed, it did a lot better. And just grated it on my little hand grater thing. Well, Ricky did. So, generally you would add a 1/2 cup of shaved chocolate. But I'm adding this whole chocolate bar that I did. It's a 7-ounce chocolate bar, because this is 2 cake mixes. And we're just going to fold that in. You can see that's going to make it real nice and chocolate chippy. Now to bake it, just follow the package directions on how to coat your pans and to bake it. I just use some non-stick spray that's got the flour in it. But for the cupcakes, I just use cupcake liners. So one of these will be baked into a 9 by 13 inch pan, and then the rest will be cupcakes. And so I'll bring you back when everything's done. And see how the chocolate's not sinking to the bottom because it's real lightweight. I grated it on the part like if you was making hash brown potatoes. On the biggest part. It's sturdy because we just used it. But that part of the grater. So I will bring you back. Alright, my chocolate chip cupcakes are done. So they're cooling. So you can see all the little bits of shaved chocolate on there. Once you fill up your cupcakes to go into the oven, you can place a few chocolate chips on top if you'd like to. But that's plenty of chocolate. I'm waiting on my cake to get done. And I made a few extra cupcakes so I can cut into one and show you what the inside looks like. Okay, here's my finished cake. The lines are squiggly and the words aren't centered, but it's okay. It's supposed to be like a canning jar, and there's going to be a dozen sunflower cupcakes around the top. It'll be alright. So let me show you what the inside of the cupcakes look like. Okay, here's what the inside looks like. Looks like it zoomed in. I've done tried it. It's not really a lot of chocolate, it's just shaved chocolate, and it's really good. Let me go ahead and try another bite for you. And that way you have little bits of chocolate all through the cupcakes, because sometimes, like I say, the big chocolate chips will just sink to the bottom. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. I will be bringing you back soon for another video of how to doctor up a box cake. And until then, I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.